Hi guys, it's me. So today we're going to make a super quick art journal page. So what I have here is just some scraps. The colors, I really like them together and I save a lot of my scrap papers and then I use them in my art journals. And I'm really loving using my scraps right now. It's kind of my favorite thing to do. And I have a hole punch because I think I'm going to punch out shapes. And yeah, some paints, and I'm going to use a popsicle stick. I maybe have some washi tape that I haven't used before and a few other things. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is just take my paint and I'm just going to create little dots of paint randomly on my page. Okay, and then we can add some blue in places, a little bit of turquoise, and then I'm going to add some white. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my popsicle stick and I'm going to run right over this, just like that. Okay, nothing too simple. I could even go up there and add a few things too. Ready? Okay, so now we are going to add some washi tape. So this is some, it's not even washi tape, it's like paper in a roll, but I got it at Hobby Lobby on sale. So I haven't used it yet, so I said, well, I should try to use it. So I'm just gonna, but I don't want to use it like this. That's just, I really like torn edges, so I'm gonna kind of tear off a piece quite randomly here. And then I can stick that down, but I really love that contrast. I think that's really pretty. So maybe we can even bring it up. Maybe I'll make it just a little bit skinnier. Not very much though. Very good, like that. I think that's really cool. But black and white are always a great way to contrast your work. Let me grab my glue stick. That's what I was looking for. All right. And I love doing these pages when I'm kind of having like artist block, or I don't know what to do, or I'm just having a tough time creating or coming up with ideas. I just love making these kind of scrappy pages. And you see that I got a little bit of paint on there, but that's okay because it wasn't quite dry. And I usually don't even let things dry for these kind of pages. I just kind of put stuff down, and if it's dry, fine. If not. And then I think maybe I want to add maybe just a little bit of this, like paper, brown paper. I really am loving brown paper right now. So I think maybe I'll add just a little scrap of it. Again, we're just building up interest and contrast in our layers. Glue stick. Just like that. I want another piece maybe here. I don't know. We might add more, but I like that for now. Okay, and then let's add a little bit of stamping. So I'm gonna grab my stamp down here. And I have this circle stamp that Cindy Others gave me that I love to use. So it's a circle stamp. And just quite randomly, I'm just going to add it in a couple places. Just like that. Just to add a little bit of interest. And I'm using archival ink, of course. Okay. And then I think that I'm going to grab one of my scraps and I'm going to start making some holes, some punches out of them. And this was literally from another art journal page that I was doing. And I just really love the colors together. So I'm just like selecting, kind of auditioning things that I want to use. I really want some yellow, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any. I should have put that in a different place, but that's okay. We'll just go with it here. That should be the name of this page. Just go with it. Just go with it, right? And then let's just tear this maybe. Because I really want some of that yellow. And that was an index card that I was creating on. So, oops. I just have to tear this down. Okay, there we go. And I'll put those right back in my scrap bag and use them for something else. So no worries there. But I'm just kind of looking through and seeing which part of the pattern I like with the yellow. I think I actually like that. Okay, perfect. So we're just going to do 3 just because I like odd numbers. So we'll do that maybe, this maybe, and this maybe. I like that. Maybe maybe we'll do the yellow on top and then the red because I really think that that makes a really powerful statement. And then one there. But I hope you guys don't mind. I'm just kind of talking you through the process that I go through. Kind of the part that you don't have to listen to when I do the videos in fast motion, but it's good. I think it's good for you to see. Journal pages like this too that aren't so pretty and pristine, like we have such fabulous ideas, and we have the same issues that you guys do, you know, like you move stuff around, you reposition it, you do all sorts of stuff. So you are not alone. Okay, so don't ever think you are. All the struggles that you have and doing art journaling are struggles that we have, but the main thing is just to do it. I mean, so that's where we get in trouble, when we don't just do it, when we talk ourselves out of it. So we do. We need to kind of let go and just go with it. Okay. What else? Okay, so I think maybe I need to break this apart a little bit. So I'm going to get some black paint if it comes out. And I'm going to take my popsicle stick. Alrighty. And I'm just going to like push it up and down. So we'll kind of go like this maybe. Oops, that was not what I was looking for, but until I load that up. It's okay, we'll go with it. That's more of what I thought about. There we go. Something like that maybe. Probably need some more paint on here. And then I'm going to go this way too, because I think that it needs to be broken up a bit. Like everything was going down and I wanted it to go to the side. That's kind of cool. I kind of like it actually. Very cool. Awesome. Alrighty, guys. Okay, and then I want to kind of grunge this up a little bit. So let's kind of grab this. This is just, I'm just doing this so that it'll dry. That's it. And it smudged it a little, which I think is kind of cool. I think that adds interest. So that's fine by me. And I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit more so you can kind of see what I'm talking about better. Okay. And now these kind of blend in a little too much for me. So I need to add something to kind of bring them out. So I'm just going to go through. I have a China marker somewhere. Or you could even use like a Stabilo All. But I really love incorporating my scraps into my art. I probably should throw things away a lot more than I do. Does anyone else do that? Like, I love to use my scraps. Kind of pushes me. Okay, oops, sorry guys. And I am just trying to find the pencil. There it is over there. I should have looked. Thought I had it out for my other project, right? And we're going to take it and we're just going to go around. Does anyone know how to sharpen these pencils? I mean, I try to use the paper part. Oh, it drives me crazy. It's like, oh my gosh, it does not come down. It does not roll off. So I just use my straight edge and like just, which is not very safe, but girl's got to do what she's got to do for her art supplies, right? With her art supplies. And this is a China marker. That's what I'm talking about. If you're like, okay, Shami, what are you talking about, you random person? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, and then I think the final thing that it needs is some splatters. And that's really it, guys. We're going to do some black splatters really quick. I just add water to my brush and I just give it a fling. And this is a nice, messy kind of art journal page that took me no time to create. And if I wanted to, I could add a word or a phrase or something like that, which I don't think that I'm going to do. I think I'm going to leave it like this, but you could absolutely use like the Tim Holtz stickers or something like that, and that would work out great. So I really love the way that this turned out. I hope that you make a page like this. I did this in real time and I went through my entire stash of pins and stuff. So it can definitely be done, guys. I hope that you give this a try and that you are inspired. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for another video. And congratulations to the winners. Make sure you email me. And I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.